Hey, what's up, friend? I hope you're doing well today. I hope you're having a good day. As you read, what am I saying? English, please. As you read from the title, I'm going to share with you 5 fitness mistakes that I changed in 2022 that completely transformed my fitness and physique. Now, before we continue, if you would like, you don't have to, but click like. It really helps the channel grow, which would be amazing. Every workout and every rep specifically counts. Now, what I mean by this is understanding the difference between isometric, eccentric, and concentric. For example, concentric means that you are shortening the muscle. I'll give an example when it comes to bicep curls, right? When you're bringing the weight up, that is concentric. You are squeezing the muscle, shortening the muscle. Eccentric is the lengthening of the muscle. So that is when you're bringing the weight down on a bicep curl. You're elongating the muscle, stretching it out. And isometric is when you're not shortening or lengthening, you're just holding it. So it's like halfway doing a bicep curl. Now, I used to think that a fast concentric and a fast eccentric would really benefit my muscle growth. In actuality, it's best to go slower on your eccentric, so on your way down. That's the hardest part. So go at a nice speed when you're doing the bicep curl, for example, and then a slow 4 rep count perhaps when you're going down, lengthening that muscle. That actually helps more with tearing the muscle, building the muscle, because it's easy. I see a lot of us guys in the gym going fast. It's easy to let that weight down, to do that curl and just let it down, but it's harder if you really concentrate, contract your core, of course, and go slowly all the way down and really stabilize that muscle, tearing that muscle up. Mistake number 2, this kind of goes hand in hand with the other one, is to have a plan. Plan to fail, fail to plan. Wait, it's the other way. Fail to plan, plan to fail. You have to have a plan going into a gym, right? I used to have like an idea of what I wanted to do. I do like, okay, Monday I'll do chest, triceps, Tuesday this, Wednesday that. But I didn't actually have a solidified plan on what exercises I was doing. And I even have a backup for each exercise because I go to a smaller private gym. So sometimes those machines are taken or the squat rack is taken. So I have different backup plans. Monday is push day. I do chest exercises, tricep exercises. Tuesday is pull day. I do back, biceps. Wednesday is leg day. Thursday, rest. Friday is my second push day. I focus more on shoulders. And then Saturday is back and biceps. I focus a lot on biceps. And I also throw in their ab exercises. But I'll do another video where I show you the actual exercises that I do, because I do like to switch it up. What has helped me, and the mentality that's helped me, is that, some days I am not feeling it. Some days I do feel more tired. And there are majority of the days where I feel like I'm actually killing it. I feel energized. I feel focused. And take advantage of those days that you feel focused. Sometimes there will be days where we maybe are not feeling it at the gym, and that's okay. But if you do go hard and you give it your all whenever you can, I feel like that kind of balances it out. But I try to go full out every time I work out. I mean, I just tell myself it's an hour, I'm gonna kill it, and it's just like you build a habit. I'm sure we all know that it takes the 21 days to build a solid habit. 3, this is imperative. I mean, my coach drilled this into my brain and I was already doing it, but it's progressive overload. You're not going to build muscle if that is your goal. You're not going to get stronger if you are not gradually upping the weight or the reps and or both. Track your progress. I have an app. This is not sponsored. This app is called Strong. I'm going to link it down below. It is an amazing app. There's other apps I'm sure that tracks your progress, but this helps track every single workout. It has all of the workouts, and it even explains with form how to do each exercise, and you can track your progress every time I go to the gym. Instead of carrying a notepad, I carry my phone around the gym. I have that app. You can create templates of your workouts. You add your reps, your weight, and it even tells you at the end of the workout, like, this is your 126th workout. You hit a PR, you hit 2 PRs, you hit 3 PRs. And I almost see it as a game. Like, every time I go in the gym, I want to beat my number from last week, even if it's 1 rep. Let's just say that you're hitting 6 to 8 reps per exercise. So you're doing 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Again, I'm doing a bicep example. Let's say you do 40 pounds of dumbbells per arm, right? So you're doing 6 to 8 reps of 40 pounds. That's your weight that you're doing. You want to be able to do at least 6 reps of that weight. If you can do 3 sets of 8, that means it's time to move up in weight. Add 5 pounds, start with 45. Maybe you can only do 6 reps 3 times. So you want to stay there until you can get to 8 reps. It takes weeks, but you slowly want to start building reps and eventually building weight. And eventually you'll get to the point where you can do those 3 sets, 8 reps, and then it's time to move up. And that is how you progressively get stronger, progressively tear the muscle to build and get stronger. All right, mistake number 4 is diet. Abs are truly made in the kitchen, and muscle is built in the kitchen as well. Obviously, we got to focus on protein, but you have to know what you want, like what route you want to take. Do you want to start cutting, which is, lose fat? Do you want to gain weight, gain muscle? You need food to gain muscle, or do you want to maintain your weight? I made a video talking about my 6-month cut. I'll link it below, card it up there. And I'm currently doing reverse dieting, which I'll do another video if you would want. Again, this is what worked for me, and this is a touchy subject because every single person has a different body type. Your body actually needs that break, and that it's okay to indulge, figuring out your maintenance calories, figuring out your surplus, not decrease, your, what is that called? As long as you just focus on high protein, which is consuming your body weight in grams of protein, clean meals, fiber with veggies, fruits, lots of water. 5, this again goes kind of hand in hand with that one, which is rest. Not only with sleep, but actual recovery days. Like, those rest days are crucial for muscle building, because when you're resting, that is necessary for growth. I mean, it's important to not overtrain. Like, those rest days are needed, not just physically, but mentally as well. And sleep. That is one thing that I changed. I filmed a video, I'll link it on top or below, on my morning routine. And I talked about my sleep, how that drastically changed. I mean, there are days sometimes where I do sleep late, if it's vacation or going out, and I notice the difference. Like, I do notice a huge difference. It kind of throws me off for a few days now. And just to wrap this all up, consistency is key. Small steps are better than no steps. I know I say that so many times and I sound like a broken record, but we cannot compare ourselves to someone's chapter 48 to our chapter 4. It takes time. The gym I go to, there's like a poster that says Rome wasn't built in a day, and they're all about that. One thing that I've learned is that motivation is like a muscle. When I lose motivation, which does happen, it's not an excuse for me to just stay home. Like, I don't listen to that voice in my head unless there's something actually physically wrong. Like, your body is not well, you're sick, then obviously stay home. But on any given day, if I don't feel like going to the gym, I still go. The way I look at it is, if you have to clock into work, sometimes perhaps you don't want to go to work, you don't want to clock in, but you have to because you need to work. Same goes with the gym. I'm like, all right, I don't want to, but I know I'm gonna feel better, and it's, I need to do this for my goals. So no excuses, I am gonna go for it, and I never regret it. And usually the times where I don't feel like going to the gym, I actually have the best workouts. Like today, I was not feeling it. I was kind of dragging myself to the gym. But when I was there, again, something clicked and I had an amazing workout. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I had caffeine, so I can go on and on, but hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna make some food now. Feel free to contribute to the convo, add some comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.